Hi, and welcome to Aussie Scale Modeller. Jace here. Glad to have your company once again. Hey, huge shout out and thank you, as always, to all my amazing subscribers, all you new subscribers. Fantastic. Rightio, let's kick things off. I know it's been a bit of a while, but there's been massive things happening. And one of the big things that were happening was the 48-hour birthday bash. Now, that went live across the globe, UK, Netherlands, US, both Central and I think it was Eastern Standard times, and Australia, and it was absolutely fantastic. Now, some models for heroes. Basically, what happened is that the world went live. Modelers building 148 scale kits within 48 hours, and the best thing was it didn't matter if you didn't finish or not. It was a fact you joined in, and you got to meet amazing people all over the globe. Make sure that next year you're there. Get involved. There's massive things happening for it next year. Incredible things. Now, along the lines, if you weren't aware, there was flash auctions, and each country had its very own auction. Now, Outlaw Paints, we were the major sponsor, and we had a ball. Aussie Scale Modeller me, I had a ball, so doesn't mean I've got a split personality, but yeah, you know what I'm saying. But it was fantastic. Now, close, I believe, I'm not sure the final figures, but just on the figures that were released at the end of the US auction, which was pretty much the whole wrap-up of the event, was nearly £7,500. Now, what that'll equate to is being able to help 350 veterans. You know, it's just amazing. John Marley, mate, fantastic that you're going to start up the same venture here in Australia. There's another one in October. I'm talking to the guys in the Netherlands. They've got theirs there, and I'm going to join in that, and so's Outlaw Paints. It was an absolute pleasure. Now, the big man, the big kahuna, Mr. James Sifkins from SprueBox, he was absolutely brilliant. Him and his team pulled off an absolutely incredible feat to get this all flowing as smooth as milk. It was just unbelievable, and what a pleasure and an honour to be part of it. So to James, thank you. Rightio, moving on. I have, in this episode, two things to share with you. It's funny that, you know, the day after, finally, this box arrives from James over in the UK. Now, this was sent all before the 48 hour and everything. And it's been a while with the old snail mail. They call it the Royal Mail, snail mail over there. And what I'm going to do is, the box only arrived 2 hours ago here in Australia at my doorstep. So I'm going to share with you, because I have no idea what's in this box. It's fully taped up, and yeah, we're going to go and have a look at that. And also, a friend of ours on Instagram, he's actually one of our sponsored modelers. He's Scale Model Kits on Instagram. Adam is an absolute legend. Adam Reale is his name, and he is unreal. I'll show you the two things he sent to us as a thank you. And Adam, thank you very much. Wish I had your logo, mate. We're going to get that sorted out, but you'll have a bit of a roundup on that. But anyway, guys, without further ado, what I'll do is I'll cut the other camera, and let's get this unboxed from the SprueBox, Mr. James Sifkins. Right, well, here we are. Now, I've blocked out the few that you're supposed to do, whatever. So that'd be me, the suburb I live in, the state I live in, and the country I live in, and it's the Australian mainland. We've just got James here. He's from England, somewhere in England. But anyway, let's have a look. Hang on, it may be opened officially. Great Britain, okay. Rightio, so let's go here, and hopefully I can't see behind my head because that's where the monitors are, so the camera, so please bear with me. Alright, I am very, very excited about this. I just really am. I was thinking it might have been one of the new 124 Spitfires, and then I thought, possibly not. It's not going to fit in this box unless he's taken it all off the sprue and said have a really good go. Right, so we're there. What is next? Let's This is quite well boxed, James. Hang on. Let's see here. Is there a seal here? Let's try that. What happens here? Bloody hell. Well, we know there's not a tape shortage in Great Britain, so that's fantastic. We all remember the great tape shortage. Oh, what a time to go through. Right, okay. Wow, how do we get this one undone? Oh no, let's keep going. Let's go down here. It'll end up being a box cutting, not a box unbox. Am I upside down? No, I'm not upside down. That's okay. So here we go. I'm just going to cut through the top here. Oh, we are getting somewhere. There's a box inside a box. Okay. Alright, so we'll pull that one out. Put that to the side. Oh, look out. Alright, we'll drop that down there. Alright. We'll cut this one open here. Oh yeah. Wow, this looks amazing. It's fabric. Oh, look out. Okay, well, unbelievable. Wow, oh, have a look at that, folks. Now this, I know James is a bit disappointed. I'm guessing this is supposed to be here for the 48-hour build, but wow, look at that. Oh, we'll switch cameras and everybody will get to see. Oh, hang on, some stuff below that. Look out. Wait, hang on, there's something in here. Oh, that's the close tag. It's okay. So I'll just put that there. And when we flash back the other camera, yeah, have a look at that. So there we go. SprueBox. Turn loose your imagination. www.spruebox.co.uk. You can find them on Instagram, Facebook, and I'm not sure what that little icon is. It's because I'm not really up to date with all the social media. Call me old. Got some great little stickers. They're going to go on the bench forever. Thank you, James, for those. Right. Okey-doke. Now, we have more packaging. Oh, if he has, oh wow, whoa, whoa, whoa. What have we got here? We have this is again amazing SprueBox coffee mug, not paint water. That's the way my memory's going and mine's going. That is perfect. Thank you very much for that, James. And here we go. If this is what I think it is, James, you are, oh mate. Now, when James and I have been talking over these months, he keeps thinking how smart he is. He has a Spitfire mug, and he knows my passion for the great bird, the most beautiful bird, the Supermarine Spitfire. Oh, if this is it. Oh no. Ah, James, you are amazing. Oh my goodness. Have a look at that. Wow. Woohoo! It's Christmas come early for the next 50 years. Wow, that is stunning. Wow, guys. In words of The Castle, a great Australian movie. Now watch that, The Castle. That's going straight to the pool room. Hold the phone. Wow. That's just amazing. Thank you so very much. Well, look, what we'll do is we'll cut to the last camera, well, the next scene, and we'll be back. Have a look at these two great models from Adam Reale, and just wow. See you in 3, 2, 1. Righto guys, well, how good were those two amazing vehicles, the McLaren and the Lambo from Adam. Again, I'm kicking back in my 48-hour build t-shirt all the way from the UK, and I'll wear it with pride, having been part of this amazing event. Righto guys, don't forget Aussie Modelers Live. It's just been fantastic. Thanks for the support on that. Other things going on with Outlaw Paints. Dieter in the Netherlands there, we're talking to him about him helping out with the distribution of Outlaw Paints in Western Europe. Also with James about distribution in the UK, so you will be able to get it. And I got a Blue Street Customs over there in Canada, just being a distributor over there, so it will be available to you wonderful people overseas. Guys, I was speaking to MOS, and MOS, go to his channel guys. I'll put the link in the description. I'll put his logo here or here when I get hold of it. We had a great chat the other day. And you guys will see the amount of subscribers he has and the amount of views. There's a reason, folks. He's a genuine human being. You know? And the model officer, James, they're genuine people. They care about modelling. And the thing is, you don't have to make a model perfect. Modelling is all about learning. You are teaching yourself and you're learning from others. What might work for you might be helpful to another guy. So hey, if you're not on YouTube, and you're not a bad, or you're a competent modeler, or you just enjoy it and you want to share your passion, start up a YouTube channel, guys. I did, only out of the love of it all. I've learned a few things in my last 50 years, and there's every day you're learning something new. Please, guys, make sure you stick around, and please do us a favour. If you could just watch the video, the entirety through, and I'm putting up a playlist because Moss himself advised me to put up a watch list. And guys, look, he said just play it, get people to play it in the background. So guys, I'll make up a watch list. It'll be the first one I've done. Hey, if you've got an old iPad, or if you've got an old a spare digital device, you can just press play on the watch list. That'll help me get my hours up, and so I can give more back to the community. And that's about me, just giving back. Mrs. Outlaw, amazing support from my family. And guys, don't forget Wayne up there at BB's Hobbies. He just got back from Avalon, the bugger, and finally called me yesterday. Oh, look at all these photos I got. I saw Spitfires and all that. So Wayne, BB's Hobbies. And as you would have seen with James, with Adam in the Adam Reale's, the IckySticky there, amazing products. Monique from IckySticky. I've got some more stuff coming from this week. Thanks guys for watching the unboxing video last week. Some great new stuff there. Those glass files on the ME110 that I did in the 48-hour build. As I said, didn't finish it, didn't even get close. At a ball. Righto guys, that's going to be it just for the moment. Don't forget to see Pete Holroyd, his Yamato build is going amazing. That's him up there. Scale Modelling. Fantastic human being. Much thanks, mate. Hibbo's back from his swing, so hopefully he'll be back into the swing of things with his modelling. He's got a few days off, and so he can have a bit of downtime. We always, the three of us, we always look out. So it's Hibbo's model bench there as well. And go and visit those guys. And all those people that subscribed over the weekend, thank you. And I'll be adding channels to my watch, not my watch list, in the comments section. Go and visit them, subscribe, like, do all that. We're a community, worldwide community. We're not, it's almost like James and I have been neighbours for, 50 years. We hook it up, the same as Moz. Genuine people. Ian from On the Bench joined us. Listen to that podcast, guys, and Model Geeks in the States. Those guys are bloody awesome as well. I'll be hooking on with them sometime this year. But anyway, guys, it's been an absolute great video. It's been great spending time with you once again. And as I say, it's all good, and catch you later.